Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change your shift knob in your vehicle for automatic transmissions. Changing your shift knob is fairly easy on your automatic transmission. All you have to do is twist it off. I'm twisting off in a counterclockwise motion. Now that is loose, I'm able to pull it off. So now you have your threads shown here, and you can come and grab your brand new shift knob. This one's a little bit used, it's not brand new, but just showing you. You just stick it in, and you twist it back on clockwise. And you want to twist it until it's nice and tight. Nice and tight there. It's not going to move. So when another person comes in and tries to twist and change gears, it's not going to twist off and feel like it's not a permanent object, even though you are able to replace it and change it out. Make sure when you are ordering a shifter knob that is the correct thread size for your vehicle. Again, just twisting it off. I found this one because it has chrome on it. I'm not a big fan of chrome, even though there's chrome trim. Eventually I'm going to delete it. And got back to the other one, twist it back on, and make it nice and tight. Thanks for watching the video on how to take off your shift knob. This is for automatic transmissions. They'll be different from manuals because they'll have the bags that will be attached to here. So it's not for every vehicle. And the new ones have nice electronic stuff in the shift knob. Not this one. This one's still a little older for that. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more content and like the video if you found this useful. Thanks.